Beautiful and durable, this cat tree is made from highly durable compressed wood, wrapped with high-quality faux fur finish to keep your cats warm and cozy. Multiple scratching posts are covered by natural sisal ropes, which is perfect for your cats to scratch, climb, play and become active. Easy to assemble with included tools and instructions. Comfort and entertainment for your cat. Your cat needs a space of their own to rest and play. They can take a nap or play around as much as they want. This cat tree lets your cat be more active. The Go Pet Club cat tree is durable enough for endless amount of playtime for your cat. Fun Playhouse. The quiet and roomy condo allows for your cat to nap without any disruptions. Perches with raised edge allow more safety and support for your cat. Covering material, faux fur. Sisal posts. Sisal covered posts adds more fun for playtime. Reinforced posts wrapped with natural sisal rope keeps your cat from scratching your furniture and allows your cat to have a fun way to exercise. Top reviews from the United States. It's very nice, but I have an explanation. For me, it was very easy to assemble. I only put 4 stars because you just need to pay attention to the screw lengths is all. The stability is also very great. But I've made modifications. My cats don't use the ladder and it sticks out too much for us, so it was a tripping hazard for the location we put it in. And the hammock is not sturdy. The cats wouldn't use it or even try, to be honest, and it was always falling off the hooks. So at the bottom I just put my younger cat's favorite ball tower and some other toys, and she loves it. I also put an extra little fuzzy hut on the extra space on the level before the top, next to / below where the circular rest spot is, and they love that. I've never seen them use the little house provided either, but maybe BC they don't like the size of it. At first they wouldn't use the fabric overhang, but now both my cats do. My little bit older one, who doesn't care, won't scratch on it, but it is very good for scratching. BC the younger one does now all the time after a bit of coaching and treats as well as catnip spray. As I'm writing this, they're both peacefully sleeping on it. Oh, they also don't really play with the rope, but I just use other cat toys on it. They mostly use the circular rest spot as just a pass-through or to look out the window at the same time. Even though they don't use like 4 of the parts, other cats may, and overall I do think it was very worth it, and they run and jump and play and sleep on it all day. Before I had this cat tree and after, was a huge difference in their happiness. When we fostered a kitten, like itty bitty 8-week-old, she loves it and climbed to the top to sleep. You will always need to get a cat tree, and I think this one is a very good value. It was the best cost per inches in height I could find, and it's very sturdy with all the levels. I do recommend getting this one. Our cats shed a lot and hair sticks to it quite a bit, but about once or twice a month we use a reusable cat hair scraper and it's good as new. Hope your cats love it as much as mine do.